Welcome to Boca Raton. I'm Alina Schwartz, bringing you the very best of luxury and waterfront lifestyle in Boca Raton. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most desirable places to live in South Florida. I'll share with you why Boca has been my home for more than 23 years. Why is Boca so desirable? Boca residents embrace rich cultural history. The beautiful tropical weather, the beaches and waterfront lifestyle, great education and business environment, and entertainment choices make Boca Raton the ideal place to live or have a second home. I'm standing at the grounds of the Boca Resort and Club, a landmark in the history of Boca Raton, designed in 1920s by famed architect Addison Mizner. The Spanish Revival architecture is prevalent throughout Boca. Mizner Park, Royal Palm Place, the Addison, the Old Town Hall, now the Boca Raton Historical Society, and Old Floresta are just a few places where the Spanish architecture stands out. Right across from the Boca Raton Hotel and Club, we have the crown jewel of Boca, rated by Forbes magazine as one of the most luxurious and exclusive communities in the country. Royal Palm Yacht and Country Club offers unparalleled lifestyle, featuring magnificent waterfront residences, golf estates, and private interior estates. Dock your yacht behind your home or marina, play golf at the resort or at the country club, dine downtown or visit nearby ocean beaches. These are just a few of the lifestyle choices that make Boca a perfect location. Speaking of the beach, Boca offers 5 miles of white sandy beaches for the residents, visitors, and furry friends to enjoy. On the other side of the Intercoastal, on the Barrier Island, we have Spanish River Land, another very affluent community, and the Boca Beach Club. Is boating and waterfront what you're looking for? Welcome to the Intercoastal lifestyle. Do you prefer downtown living, but you also want to walk to the beach? Royal Palm Residences is where the city meets the sea. Walk to the beach, downtown shopping and restaurants. Here you can have it all. Are you considering buying or selling your waterfront estate in Boca Raton? Please give me a call at 561-789-1676.